Hello, welcome to the Executive Bite. My name is Kyle Rowland. Today we're going to be talking about scaling autonomy. One of the big challenges when we do software development is really what happens when we start to grow. So it's a really happy, successful time when we start to do that. But how do we handle that? How do we continue the success at the larger scale that we had when we were smaller? Now, there's a lot of frameworks that are out there that tend to claim to be scaled agile frameworks, and these often are not what you're looking for. So again, the real power of agile in the small and at the one or two team level is the autonomy that the teams have. That autonomy allows them to deliver value, to experiment, and to move rapidly. But the real premise of the scaling agile frameworks, or the frameworks that are around scaling agile, is really around largely giving things agile sounding names, while at the same time allowing the same kind of top-down control that make typical non-technical managers feel comfortable with their engineering effort. So this sounds maybe a little harsh, but it's just the real solid underlying reality of it is that the power of Agile is in the autonomy that it hands to the engineering staffs as they're looking to deliver their software. Trying to control that and coordinate that across a large organization simply strips all of the involved teams of that. The real way that you do that, of course, is by isolating teams, eliminating dependencies, and putting the decision power into the hands of the individual teams. And the other part of that, of course, being that the teams are set up and built around specific top to bottom sets of features rather than technical things. So when teams are set up that way, you'll be able to scale, you'll be able to grow rapidly. But the key there is that you're scaling the autonomy that your teams have. You're not simply scaling the superficial naming of the stand-up and the ceremonies that you do and trying to coordinate everybody across, which really does the opposite and eliminates autonomy. So this has been the Executive Bite. I hope you've enjoyed it. My name's Kyle Rowland. I'll see you next time.